Hey man, say man, it's your boy Tim, aka the 15 Ward Stunner, and we back with another YouTube video. So yeah, I'm just gonna be recording myself talking about these charts and whatnot. Just so I can I'm gonna basically just use this channel as kind of like my journal, whatever. Going over all my trades, going over what went wrong, what I did right, and things of that nature, and trying to teach y'all what I know about trading. I don't never claim to know everything. I'm still learning every single day. But yeah, all right. So let's get into this chart on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, I don't like to trade Bitcoin like too much. Because it's like so many scammy ass candles. Like I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about later. But like it's really hard to like try to get a read on things. And like because it's kind of like harder to get a read on things, like it's kind of it's more difficult to set up a trade and things like that. But if you're able to catch a trade, you can make a lot of money because it's so volatile. Like this pump right here, that's 26%. Like you can make a lot of money off of just like 1% in the stock market if you're doing if you trading like indices or futures or whatever. But 26%, that's like 26 times the money that you could make in the stock market. But like should be shiesty on this side of the financial markets, man. So all right, let's get into it. Enough of my little rant. All right, so at the moment, Bitcoin has still been somewhat bullish since the start of 2023. We just been riding up. We done shot all the way up to 30K, 31K from 16K. That's almost doubling the price. Like it may not seem like a lot, but it's a lot, bro. All right, so yeah, so we've been bullish lately. So because we've been bullish on the last leg that broke all of these highs back here, I drew a fib from down going up. I'm expecting a bounce like somewhere in between the 0.62 and the 0.79. It's probably gonna be a little bit lower. So we got a weekly order block, a weekly bullish order block. Bullish meaning that we expecting it to go up. So we had a down candle right before an up candle that set a new high. This is a new high up there. Uh, I'm actually supposed to have this whole leg highlighted, but like if it comes like beneath there, like I'm not gonna try to long that. Like that's gonna be that. So I just did it like that. So all right. So much more recently, within the past 5 weeks or so, we came up into this bearish order block. Bearish meaning that we're expecting it to go down. So this bearish order block was created by this green candle. It was an up candle before a downward movement that set new lows. It's the new low down there. That's the old low. So we good to say that this is a bearish order block. Bam. Drew the little red rectangle, make it a little easy on the eyes. And okay, since we came up into this bearish order block, we've only been posting lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower lows, lower lows, lower lows, lower lows. So it's safe to say that this is a good bearish order block. So knowing that, up here we should be trying to go short. So knowing that we're trying to go short, we want to try to catch a bounce and ride it down some. So that's the weekly analysis. Daily, We have a bearish order block, up candle, down movement, new lows, rectangle. And this daily order block is actually overlapping with this weekly order block. So if it ever gets back up this high again, I am gonna short the shit out of it. So that's that. So that's the daily analysis. This is the 4 hour, so I'm gonna focus more so on where we're at now. I'm actually seeing stuff that I didn't see previously. And this is why I'm making these videos, man. What is this? An up candle before a down move? Yeah, I would say that that's that is in, what do you call it? A bearish order block, yeah. Bearish order block. So I don't know. We probably do shoot back up to get those order blocks, cause the price now, like, it's kind of weird. I'm about to get into it. So back to these scammy ass candles I was talking about. Well, let me zoom into the lower time frame. So this is what I'm talking about right here, bro. Like, if you see something reject this hard on any other fucking map, chart, you see something reject this hard, it's not gonna bounce back hard in the other way within 15 minutes. Like, it's just scams. It's a fucking scam. Which is why I don't like to trade Bitcoin too much, but I was just like, fuck it, I see an opportunity, I'm gonna take it. But let me show you the opportunity that I took. So yeah, we got hourly bearish order blocks up here and right there. All right, and so I see the order blocks and I'm looking to get short. So I'm like, how can I get short? So I'll draw my fibs top to bottom. Why am I drawing my fibs from top to bottom? And why is it on these candles, you ask? That's because this leg, all of this going down, it broke, it set a new low, breaking that market structure, breaking this low and breaking all of this back here. Yeah, we draw it top to bottom. And so once we do that, what do we do? Optimal trade entry is between 0.62 and 0.79. And so what I like to do I find the best trades that have the smallest amount of drawdown is the ones that are in this area, and they also have either order blocks or breaker blocks to go with them. So as you like, this is a sniper entry right here. Like, if I would have gotten right here, like how much? Like, that's like maybe 50 points of drawdown. That is excellent for Bitcoin. Like, that is fucking great. So, but I didn't set my order for this because like I got kind of scared because like I saw the 4 hour. And I saw SFP. SFP is when it goes down below a low and it doesn't close below it. Like, it went below these lows right here, but it didn't close below. That means you can expect on it rising. So, and that it did rise. It came all the way up to 27,200 from 26,725. All right, and so yeah, so I got in around like 27,112. I got in about like right there. Still holding this trade, but it's kind of dicking around. So I might close it. I don't know. So yeah, I got in at 112, and I set my stop loss above this candle, and but yeah, it was a little nerve-wracking while doing it, because like I was like, yeah, I caught it, and It came all the way down. I was like, nice. It should go all the way down to support, right? Fuck no. Shit's spiked back up. Said, gotcha, bitch. And just been dicking around with me all day. So, yeah, man. Yeah. Think that's about it. Yeah, that's my little trade on Bitcoin. Let me show y'all the 112. Show y'all the numbers on that. So I had like 100-point stop loss, and I'm actually aiming for down there. So that's actually a great risk to reward ratio. But they fucking around with me, man. Fucking Bitcoin, bro. And then the dollar index, it puked today. That's probably why it's doing all this playing around. They don't even know what to do, because I thought the dollar was gonna keep shooting up like it do, but it came down kind of aggressive today. I guess it came down for this breaker. Yeah, I guess we could do a little bit of analysis of the dollar, cause wait, that ain't the breaker. I'm tripping. This is the breaker. This is the breaker right here. Boom. So, yep, the up candle that set a new low. Bam. And you thought it would have been a, yeah, right. Okay. Yeah, it's bouncing. So I think next week we continue to go up, or we might tag it like one more time or something like that. But yeah, that is my analysis on Bitcoin and a little bit of my analysis on the dollar. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. I'm really just doing this for myself to like try to keep a journal and just to try to hear my thoughts out loud on what I think about trades and stuff, so I can like go back and listen to it. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed. I hope y'all have a nice weekend, man. Talk to y'all later. I'm gonna be back Monday. 15 War Stunner out.